How to change delivery date on Amazon application. Are you guys facing issues to change delivery date on Amazon app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for order. Tap on. After you click on orders, you can see the list of your product. Just choose the product that you want to change the delivery date of. Once you enter the product, you can see the option for change date. Tap on it, change the date according to your preference. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna change date on Amazon application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share